Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, with ISA raking in millions of dollars in revenue from the boys and the girls championships each year, there may be a question as to whether they could increase the amount of cash they give back to competing schools. ISA President Dr. Walton Small says there is a plan in place to do so, but it will have to wait for at least another year. Jordan Fort explains why in our Champs preview this evening.
Corporate giants Grace gave $64 million in sponsorship to the 5-day event last year. And this year, they've committed $80 million in cash, with another $40 million to be spent on their marketing throughout the championships. The event is a cash cow for ISA, raking in the largest profits of all its competitions. So could the organization do more in terms of giving back to participating schools? Dr. Walton Small says that's on the cards.
There is no doubt in our minds that the increased funds going back to school will happen. It should have started this year. But we have lost a significant amount of revenue, almost $30 million, which we don't have this year. And because of that, we were not able to do the increase. But I'm sure that come next year, when we put the business to tender, that we can get other sponsors where we can now look at really increasing the amount of money that goes to school. But because we lost a sponsor. We lost a sponsor, significant sponsor, and that money we were not able to find a sponsor to take care of that. And because of that, we were not able to do any significant increase this year. But it will happen because it's something that we were going to do.
Dr. Small was referring to telecommunications giants Flow, which pulled their sponsorship this year, which amounted to approximately $27 million. ISA currently pays $2,500 to schools for every point earned at Champs, in addition to a transportation subsidy of a minimum of $50,000 to each school. The governing body for school sports also pays out a total of $5 million in prize money for the top 5 finishers for boys and girls Champs combined. According to its Vice President Keith Wellington, ISA pays out approximately $22 million to schools at Champs each year. The ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will be live and exclusive on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com, with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92.